Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to calibrate your power valve on your KTM, Husqvarna, or GasGas TBI bike. Now this is something that is simple to do, and you want to do it anytime you've had that actuator off, or maybe you've done a top end, something like that. But there are some misconceptions. So some people think this is going to clear or take care of some codes that are coming up, but that's simply not the case. There are updates, software updates that you do need to do periodically with these bikes. So especially if you have a 23 TBI bike, they were throwing codes for hitting the starter button after the engine was running. So again, go get that software update if that's what's going on. But if you've had the actuator off for any reason, this is what you need to do. Number one, these wake up plugs. These are going to come with your bike when you buy it, but if you lost them, we do have these available on our website. This wake up plug for the 23 is going to look a little bit different than everything else. So for 24, they went back to that old style of wake up plug. And you've got this diagnostic connector right under your seat. There's a little tab on the bottom of it. We're just going to pop that up. Remove that connector. There's a cover. We'll just pop that off as well. And then for the wake up plug, you don't want to clip it in yet, but you want to have it in position. You're going to go to the throttle and you're going to hold this halfway open. It doesn't have to be exact. So just to give you an idea, go full throttle and then halfway back. Now what you can do, you heard that buzz right there. So that means the wake up plug is working. You're going to wait 5 seconds, release the throttle. You can hear the actuator work. And then the fuel pump is cycling 3 times, and that confirms that everything is calibrated. Quick side note, it doesn't matter which map you're in when you do this. You just have to do it in one of the maps and it's going to be good for everything. So with that fuel pump done cycling, we can go ahead and remove the wake up connector, reinstall the cover, and clip this back into place. So that's it for calibrating the power valve on your TBI bike. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments below. And if you need anything for your bike, go check it out on our website. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. So take advantage of that. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.